OPPO K12x 5G, a stylish mid-ranger with solid performance. The OPPO K12x 5G is the latest addition to OPPO's budget-friendly K series, offering a sleek design, smooth display, and reliable performance, all at an affordable price. Whether you're a student, a multitasker, or someone who enjoys capturing everyday moments, this phone has something to offer. Let's dive into its key features. Sleek and stylish design. Available in Midnight Violet and Breeze Blue, the OPPO K12x 5G boasts a slim and lightweight build, measuring just 0.77 centimeters thick and weighing 186 grams. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use with one hand. Vibrant 120Hz display. The phone features a 6.67-inch, 16.94 centimeters LCD with HD+, 1604x720 resolution. 120Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling. 120Hz touch sampling rate for better responsiveness. 1000 nits peak brightness for better outdoor visibility. Twice reinforced glass for durability. While it's not AMOLED, the display still delivers vivid colors with 83% NTSC coverage in vivid mode, making it great for media consumption. Solid performance with Dimensity 6300. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, the K12x 5G ensures smooth performance for daily tasks, light gaming, and multitasking. It comes in two storage variants: 6GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 256GB. With UFS 2.2 storage and LPDDR4X RAM, apps load quickly, and you get expandable storage via a microSD card. Long-lasting 5100 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. Battery anxiety won't be an issue. The 5100 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, and 45 watts SuperVOOC K fast charging quickly tops it up when needed. Decent camera setup. While not flagship level, the camera system is practical for everyday shots. Rear cameras. 32MP main camera, f/1.8. 2MP portrait lens for depth effects. Front camera. 8MP selfie shooter, f/2.0. Modes like night, portrait, dual view video, and slow-mo add versatility to your photography. 5G connectivity and other features. 5G support, N1/N3/N5/N8/N20/N40/N71/N78, for faster downloads. Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, DAC support for high-quality audio. 3.5mm headphone jack, a rarity these days. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock for security. Runs on ColorOS 14. The phone comes with ColorOS 14.0.1 based on Android, offering a clean UI, useful customization options, and optimized performance. What's in the box? OPPO K12x 5G. 45 watts charger. USB Type-C cable. Protective case. SIM ejector tool. User manual and warranty card. Final verdict. The OPPO K12x 5G is a well-rounded budget phone with a smooth 120Hz display, strong battery life, and 5G support. While the camera and HD+ resolution may not compete with premium devices, it's a great choice for users who want a reliable, stylish, and affordable smartphone. Would you consider the OPPO K12x 5G? Let us know in the comments.